Start question number 5. So here already the predictions are there given in the problem, but what is our objective is simply we want to state the position of each point with respect to the planes of projection. That's why here in this problem xy is the reference line, a this is point a projections, this is point b projections, point c projections, points d projections. That's why here we want to take one tabular form like this, so here you can divide this tabular form into three columns. First column belongs to point, second column belongs to position of point, and second column belongs to quadrant in which they lie, it lie. Suppose you want to take point A. This is A dash and A. That's why point is capital A. So point is capital A. Here you want to say this is the front view. So but here the distances which are given is all are centimeters. But in our drawing sheet we want to express all are millimeters. 2 centimeters means 20 millimeter. And 5 centimeter means 50 millimeter, 4 means 40, 3 means 30, 2 means 20. So here front view is below, so that's why this point is 20 millimeter is below HP. Why? Because front view is below, that's why this is below the HP. And top view is 50 millimeter below XY, so this is 50 millimeter in front of VP. Why? Because top view becomes below the XY means in front of VP. How much gap? 50 gap in front of VP. So here this is below HP and in front of VP. See that, remember that below HP and in front of VP. This is below HP and in front of VP. This is the quadrant. Nothing but this is fourth quadrant. So the point lies in fourth quadrant. How to say? Here this is below HP and in front of VP. That's why the point is here in fourth quadrant. Suppose we want to take any other problem, any other one. Suppose here C is here, front view is below. So this is point C. Front view is below, nothing but 30 millimeter below the HP and 20 millimeters above XY means 20 millimeter behind of VP. This is HP and this is VP. So with respect to this here, below HP, behind of VP. See, remember that this is below HP, this is behind of VP. That's why this is point C. This is lies in third quadrant. Suppose here point D, this is on XY. This is point D is on XY because front view is on XY, nothing but on HP. Top view is above. This is behind of VP. On HP and behind of VP. Here no need of quadrant. Why? Because only point D, this is on HP and 30 millimeters behind of VP. Here no need of quadrant. So in this way, next goes to question number 6. Here, question number 6. 2 points A and B are in the HP. Point A is 30 millimeter in front of VP, while B is behind of VP. The distance between their projectors equal to 75 millimeter. The line joining their top views makes an angle of 45 with XY. Find the distance of the point B with VP. So first here, the distance between their projectors equal to 75 mm. That's why first you want to take the XY line. On this XY line, first you want to maintain the gap, that is 75 mm. So this gap is 75 mm. First you want to take the 75 mm gap. Now point A, here you want to draw projections of A. Here you want to draw projections of B. So point A is in HP. Point A is in HP means its front view is on XY. B is on HP. So that's why B also on XY. So front view of A is on XY, front view of B is also on XY. Why? Because on HP. Point A is 30 millimeter in front of VP. In front of VP means down. So here you want to go here 30 millimeter. Here this is in front of VP. In front of VP. But B is behind the VP. But in this problem, it should not indicate what is the gap the behind of is not given. That's why just simply you want to extend the line up to so much of distance. How much we don't know. First extend the y because this is behind of VP. This is in front of VP. This is behind of VP. This is in front of VP. How much behind of VP should not given. That's why first you want to extend the line. But the other hint is joining their top views makes an angle of 45 with XY. Already this is one top view. Second top view is here anywhere. We don't know where is. But the joining of this line, it makes angle 45. That's why at A, simply draw small line. Here with protractor, you want to make angle 45 degrees. 45 degrees and extend the line where it touches, then that is B. See, remember that at A, just to draw the small line. Why? Because this is parallel to XY line. Just to draw small line. Why? Because angle 45 here means same angle here also occupies. So that's why at A you want to make angle 45 degrees. Why? Because this is top view and this is top view. The line joining their top views makes an angle 45 with XY. This is 45 degrees with XY. Same angle. Both angles are, this is symmetrical angles. That's why this is 45. But here the distance of the point B from VP. So here how much gap you want to measure and write the gap. So suppose you got 40 or 50, then write down point B is 50 millimeter behind of VP. You want to write down the statement point B is so much of millimeter behind of VP. How much you want to measure it and then fill it. Next goes to shortest distance problems. So here,